Hi guys, today I'm gonna show y'all like my updated fidget collection. So first in the sugar side, we have baby squishy, this Hello Kitty squishy, and this nice cube is off-brand. And I have like a tiny foam donut squishy, but I don't know where it is. Wait. Okay, I don't know where it is, but I have this Minecraft foam squishy as well. For my tablet squishies, I have this grape tablet squishy, this Pars tablet squishy, and this Oreo tablet squishy. And my Glitter Duck, it got like inflated, so I'm not gonna use that anymore. But I have this as well, this orange Nomo Duck. Oh, and I have this slime, and I have a slime that's on my phone. It's like a gluey slime. And inside the fidget side, I have like this Pop-It, this I don't know what it's called, this snake thing, and this Stitch Pop-It thing, and that. And I used to have a pink dumpling squishy, but I don't know where it is right now because I just went on a trip, so like I don't really know where it is. And then I got this sand stitch squishy, this, and then this. It was like a Kraken soccer squishy. And this, it has like some sticky, garbly stuff on it. I mean, inside it. And this is like a glowing, a dark light night, but like I thought it was a squishy. So I just have that. Oh, and I have these as well. Oh, and these things. I don't know, I have this whale and this dog. So bye, that's all I have for my fidget collection.